Hello everybody, welcome to my channel, welcome to today's share, decorate your life share. I have really been working on the bougie cover and the bougie journal for Decorate Your Life. This is her Whisper journal kit. You can get this kit and everything you see on the cover in the journal. Let me rephrase that. Everything you see on the cover, the beads, the flowers, the brooches, the lace, all of this that you see on the cover, you can find in her store. The kit, I've already done an opening on, and when I show you what's inside, this is some of the stuff that came from my stash. But I will add the opening in the description, so you can go look at the opening of the kit and see what you can get. Now she makes the bows, and then I added some of the, I can't say those words, they're flat back embellishments. They got a flat back on them, so you can glue them to whatever you're doing. And then the beautiful brooches, she has these in this, like I said, in the shop. She's got these hearts, she's got the lace, she's got these gorgeous shabby flowers. And then this lace is also in her shop. And then, of course, you've seen the kit. So what I did was I took some of my own fabric and I added two tabs. And then I took the safety pins. Kind of hard to see. They're dressed up. I took the safety pins. They have these holes in them where you can add charms. And then I put a bow on here. So if you can imagine, there's going to be 3 bows, 9 charms here, and then 3 bows and 9 charms down there. And then in the center I'm going to be adding her bows that came with the kit and that you can find in her store. Those are going to be down this part of the spine, so it's going to be nothing short of absolutely gorgeous. Sandy's has some of the nicest things in her shop. You got to get over there to see it. And then while you're shopping, you can use our discount. Mine happens to be Rhonda 15, and I'll put that in the description box as well. And that's going to allow you a 15% discount at checkout. She also has a wish list now in her web store where you can go and you can post a wish list. So anybody perusing her store, tell your friends, Mom's Day, Christmas, birthdays, anniversaries, birth of a baby, any occasion you want to celebrate, you can tell your friends, hey, I've made a wish list over at Decorate Your Life. I think I've explained. Hop over to her Facebook group. They now have Wishing Wednesdays, so you go on Wednesdays, they'll post every Wednesday. You go in and you list a few of the items that you're looking for, and once it gets going, there's a lot of things you could ask for. Their guidelines are it doesn't need to be expensive, just ask for some trims or inexpensive things. Maybe you need paper clips, or maybe you need brads, simple stuff that might be hard for you to find. And you can get it there in Wishing Wednesday. But we just need, people to go in and sign up. I know I have a ton of stash that I'm willing to share, but we just need people to get in there and talk about it, okay? All right, so this is the first signature. The second signature I do is going to be done in a peach color with the white. Where the gray is, it'll be white. And I'm hoping to finish this up. I've got a majority of the fussy cuts and the pockets and whatnot cut out. And then, like I said, I encourage you to go over. Edwina did this really cool lace bobbin holder, and Dahlia did a really cool journal, and she's shown some of her ephemera. I kind of went first, believe it or not, I went for the cover. I just had to do this cover. I just had to. So I'm not done. We're still adding things as we go. And I appreciate you guys. I'm glad you're here to watch. Hopefully you'll share out the channel And guys, come get involved. The Facebook group, the Decorate Your Life family, is just waiting. I mean, it is a great group to be in, and they are doing wonderful things. Also, gotta go, go check out the store. All right, with that being said, guys, I'll see you in the next video. Bye. Thank you so much for watching and being a part of my channel. I truly appreciate each and every one of you. If you enjoyed today's video, please share my channel with your crafty friends. It helps me to grow. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.